Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're knee-deep in project management with Jira, you know that issues can evolve, and sometimes you need to change their type, like switching from a bug to a task. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to do this in Jira for 2025. It's a quick process that can save you time and keep your projects organized. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira account. Once you're in, head over to the project that contains the issue you want to modify. You can find it easily by searching in the search bar or navigating through your boards and backlogs. Next, click on the specific issue to open its detailed view. Look for the More Actions menu, usually represented by 3 dots or an ellipsis in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Edit to enter edit mode. This is where the magic happens. In the edit screen, scroll down until you see the Issue Type field. It's typically a drop-down menu. Click on it and select the new issue type that best fits your needs. For example, if you're changing from Story to Epic, go ahead and make that selection. Jira might throw in a few warnings here, things like custom fields that don't match the new type or required information that's missing. Take a moment to review these. You may need to update or add details to ensure everything transitions smoothly. Once you're satisfied, hit the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Voila! Your issue type has been changed. Double-check the issue to confirm all your data is intact and that it functions as expected in your workflow. A quick tip: if you're an admin, consider reviewing your project's field configurations to make future changes even easier. That's it for today's tutorial. Changing issue types in Jira is straightforward and empowers you to manage your projects more effectively. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.